is the next important question. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if a value is given. It's a very important 4-mark question. Very simple only. A square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay, so a is given. So a square is nothing but a into a, right? That is first row, first column. So 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So next first row, second column. 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. The next one, 2 into 2 plus 0 into 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. So first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column you are getting in the first row. So when you take the second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column will constitute this third one. Now we can simplify this. Okay, so you keep this as it is. This is your a square. Now 5a means a you should multiply by 5. Normal. You should multiply with all the elements. So 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5 minus 5, 1, 0. The next one is 6i. 6 into i. I is an identity matrix. Since you have 3 cross 3 matrix here, I have written 3 cross 3 matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Multiply 6 inside. We are going to substitute a square minus 5a plus 6i. So it's very simple. 5 minus 10. Okay, first you subtract these two matrices, then you can add with the last one. So you're getting a particular value. Okay students, so they can ask you any questions. It will not be the same 5a or 6i. A matrix also will be different, but you can use this concept and you can easily find. If you know multiplication, you can easily do this. Okay, the next one also, it's also important 4-mark question. A is given. You should find here a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2y is equal to 0. A cube, right? So a cube means first a square, then you find a into a square, that will become a cube. So first a into a, you're getting one particular value. Okay, the same way, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. Okay, next this particular a into a square, this is your a cube. Okay, this is the first value. Next one is 6a square. So a square value you write here, multiply that with 6. Then 7a, multiply 7 with all the elements. Then 2i, you multiply identity matrix with 2, you will get this. Okay, so I am going to add all this. This is 3a square minus this value, the given question. Okay, first you subtract these two, you can add these two. So on subtraction am I getting this, on adding these two I am getting this. Okay, minus 9 plus 9, 0. Okay, so you will get 0, 0. So this is what we want to prove here. See, this is equal to 0. So we got the answer as 0. Okay, 17th one, if a is equal to this, I equal to this, find k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2y. So first you find a square. See, on seeing a square, generally the students will write 9, 4, 16, 4. That is wrong. Okay, a square means a into a. You should multiply using rows and columns only. Please keep that in mind, students. First we are finding a square. So that is equal to k into a. So I am multiplying k with a and 2i. 2 into, see, this question is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So the identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is your identity matrix here. Okay, 2i. So I am equating this. This side you can see 3k minus 2. Why I am equating? The given question is a square equal to ka minus 2i. So this is a square equal to ka minus 2i. So 3k minus 2 is equal to 1. So 3k is equal to 3 or k equal to 1. You can equate anything, you will get the same answer only. Okay, so the value of k is 1. The last question, 18th one. A is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0. I equal to this. And the question here is, we want to prove I plus A is equal to I minus A. Okay, you can see this question. So first I am writing I here, then I am adding I with A. It's a simple one, normal addition. This part is over. The second part is I minus A. So this is I minus A. So I am subtracting, I am getting one answer. So this is the first equation. I should prove first equation is equal to this part. I minus A is equal to this particular value I should prove here. Okay. This is second equation. 1 equal to 2 I should prove here. So we found what is 1 I minus A value? 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1, and this is this multiplication value. So first row, first column I multiplied here. First row, first column, you are getting this on multiplication. You can see here tan alpha by 2. Tan is nothing but sin A by cos A. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Here also tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So cos alpha, here also sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta. After this we have taken LCM. Cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2. Here also I have taken LCM. Here also we have taken the LCM. Right? So the next step, this is, see, sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, or cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So what is the formula? Cos A minus B. Here it is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin of A minus B. Okay. Here also sin of A. Here sin alpha you are having. So it is A minus B, cos of A minus B. So on further simplification we will get cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2, sin alpha by 2, cos alpha by 2. So on cancellation you will get 1 minus tan alpha by 2, so 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. So this is the proof of the first equation. See, 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 1. So both are same. Thank you, students.